Here's something that surprises a lot of people. Millions of pounds in overpaid tax sits unclaimed in the UK every single year. Not because people don't need it, but because they simply don't know it's there, or don't know how to ask for it. Let's go through exactly how to check, and how to claim it back. Here's the short answer. If you've ever paid too much tax, through emergency tax, a job change, an incorrect tax code, or unclaimed work expenses, you're entitled to claim that money back. HMRC doesn't automatically chase you down to return it. In most cases, it's up to you to ask. There are a few common situations that lead to overpaid tax. Being on emergency tax, which we covered in video 4, changing jobs partway through the year, paying for work expenses, like uniforms, tools, or professional fees, out of your own pocket, or simply having the wrong tax code for a period of time, which we covered right back in video 1. Here's a number worth remembering. You can usually claim back overpaid tax for up to 4 years. That means if you were on emergency tax 3 years ago and never checked, that money may still be waiting for you. The window doesn't stay open forever though, so it's worth checking sooner rather than later. The simplest way to check is through the HMRC app, or your personal tax account online. Both let you see your income and tax record for previous years, and will often tell you directly if a refund is due. It typically takes a few minutes, and you don't need to call anyone or wait on hold. If a refund is due, the process is usually straightforward. You confirm a few personal details, and HMRC pays the refund, often directly into your bank account, sometimes by check. Depending on the situation, this can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. It's worth being careful here. There are third-party companies that offer to claim tax refunds on your behalf, for a cut, sometimes a large one, of whatever you're owed. You can claim directly through HMRC yourself, for free, and keep the full amount. It's worth doing that first before considering anything else. Say someone was on emergency tax for 2 months back in 2023, after changing jobs, and never thought to check afterwards. A quick look through the HMRC app shows the overpayment clearly, and a claim confirms a refund, sometimes well over £100, for a few minutes of checking. One area people often overlook entirely is tax relief on work expenses. Uniforms you've had to wash yourself, tools you've bought for your job, or professional subscriptions required for your role. We'll cover this properly in a dedicated video later in the series, but it's worth knowing this can also lead to a refund. So here's what to do. First, check the HMRC app, or your personal tax account. Second, look back as far as 4 years, particularly around any job changes or periods of emergency tax. And third, if a refund is due, claim it directly through HMRC. It's free, and you'll keep the full amount. If you've got more than one job, there's a particular tax issue worth knowing about, one that catches a huge number of people out. Next, we'll cover exactly how tax works when you have 2 jobs, and what to watch for.